Engineering the details. It's auto perfection. Across 120 countries, bedding automation is telling us a story. The factory never sleeps. We believe in the art of cooperation with the Better Together approach, supported by over 180 employees around the world. With 30 years of history, Elektroteks became the leading manufacturer of mattress production equipment, driven by innovation, technology, and challenges. With the latest state-of-the-art factory investment, Elektroteks increased the production site to 30,000 square meters. We are more than industrial builders. We are breaking boundaries in bedding automation technology. In 2 factories, we design, manufacture, code, and test our machines. A single machine part, the structure of the machine, and the whole project, each and every component has to be in harmony with each other. Mattress production lines, glue lines, packing machines, roll pack lines, quilting machines, border machines. Every story is unique. Every factory is different. Elektroteks invests heavily on R&D to power the ultimate promise: fully integrated, self-managed, and intelligent bedding factories. Smarter than ever, evolving into something new, something different. Elektroteks attends all the international shows in the bedding industry, guiding to a way forward, inspiring global innovation, hand in hand with our customers. We never forget who we are working for. We'll be just there when the light goes off. Service is not a department at Elektroteks. It's who we are. One spirit, one team, one win. Elektroteks team. Innovation, quality, service, and smiling customers. When it all comes together, that's when we feel our job is done for the moment. Elektroteks, the brand that there is, living innovation.